Welcome back to KCTV English News. I'm Angel Kim. The 46th and 47th patients in Jeju have been confirmed over 2 days. Jeju Island announced that a resident who had been tested for COVID-19 because of a trip to Sanbangsan Hot Springs that occurred at the same time as a confirmed patient was the 46th person in the province to test positive for the virus. The province stated that the patient is the owner of Myeongyong restaurant in Andongmyeon and was in the restaurant every day except August 26th. They also visited the main branch of Andongmyeon's Hanaro Mart on the 26th and a local clinic and pharmacy on the 31st. It was also announced that the 47th patient has been confirmed. The patient who arrived in Jeju yesterday morning underwent testing in Jeju after being notified they were a contact of a confirmed case in Ulsan City. Jeju Island has launched an epidemiological investigation to further identify the patient's routes and contacts. The routes of confirmed patients can be checked on the provincial website. The provincial government has announced that starting from September 1st, access to all buildings of the Jeju provincial government will be partially restricted to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Entry into the main office of the provincial government, along with the annex building and the secondary office, will be restricted for a week until the 8th of this month, with the exception of entry due to matters related to public affairs. Access to the third annex of the second government complex, which includes the Health and Hygiene Department, which is the COVID-19 control tower in Jeju, is entirely restricted even for official affairs. All visitors must undergo a temperature check and sanitize their hands in order to enter the buildings. The impact of Typhoon Mysac has been affecting Jeju since Wednesday. The storm is bringing very strong gusts with 100 to 300 millimeters of rain, but the storm could dump more than 400 millimeters at higher elevations. Authorities say it is important to secure outdoor facilities to prevent damage. The Jeju Regional Meteorological Administration says the typhoon will pass through the island during the night. Let's take a look at the travel route of Typhoon Mysac. The typhoon is the 9th major storm system of the year and is a strong mid-sized typhoon with a central pressure of 940 hectopascals and a wind speed of 47 meters per second. As a result of a series of confirmed COVID-19 cases from a guest house in Namoneup, all kindergartens and schools in Namoneup, Andongmyeon, and Daejeongup have converted to remote classes. The Jeju Provincial Office of Education announced that students in all grade levels of the schools in these areas will have remote classes until the 4th, and that emergency care and after-school programs will also be suspended. The office recommended that faculty and students who live in the affected areas but commute to schools located in other areas stop attending classes as well. They have also asked that international schools switch to remote learning in the wake of the new outbreak. Thank you for joining us today at KCTV English News. Please follow us on YouTube at KCTV E! News Jeju and on KCTV's VOD service. Have a great evening.